Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I stopped by my Hobby Lobby and picked up some goodies. I picked up some more clearance items at my Hobby Lobby. They are still marking down the fine arts section, so when I checked, they had all these pigment ink pens marked down. Regular price is $3.49 and they're all 62 cents. So I picked up this one. This is black ink and it's 0.1 millimeters. I picked up two of those. They only had one in the 0.3 millimeters, so I picked that one up too. And I picked up two of the 0.5 millimeters. So the 0.5 was $2.49, but they still marked it at 62 cents. And then they only had one in the 0.8 millimeters, so I picked that one up. And then this one is $3.49. They also had these. Now these are also inks, like for the drawing fine art section. And regular price was $6.49. I paid $1.62, and I picked up 3 packages. So, and these you get 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, and 0.8, and they're all black ink. So, quite happy they had these. I picked those up. I also picked up this. This is an architect ruler. Regular price was $6.49. I paid $1.62. And let me look under here. They had several different type of rulers on sale in the architectural tool section. So yeah, this is all-in-one drafting tool. And it measures and scale drawings, draw circles and arcs, draw angles and triangles. So quite an interesting ruler. I'm going to learn to use it. You know, sometimes I do like to make circles. So this will come in handy. Let's see. I mean, I do have other rulers that make circles, but not one like this. So this is what it looks like. See? So yeah, here's the like a radius chart right there. Yeah, it's quite an interesting ruler. I want to learn to play with it. And of course, for every inch, you got a hole in there, so you can make larger circles. So yeah, I picked up one. Oh look, they have a little YouTube video on there for a tutorial on how to use these rulers. So I will be taking a look at that. I also picked up these brush set. It is a value brush set, and you get 16 brushes. It was $7.99 and I paid $1.99. So I picked up two of these. So I'm always needing paintbrushes. So yeah, it's quite a good amount of brushes for $1.99. So yeah, I grabbed two of those. I also picked up some brush cleaner and restorer. I picked up two of them. You get 4.2 US fluid ounce, and it was $1.74. Regular price was $6.99. Yeah, these come in handy. I like these. So picked up two of those. I also picked up this one. I believe it's Mineral Spirit, but let me make sure. Regular price was $6.49. I paid $1.62. Yes, this one The one with the blue label is a mineral spirit, and you get 16 fluid ounce. See, it's odorless, so which is good. I picked up 2 of them, and one other thing, they also have it in a larger size like this, but when I went back, they were all gone. They only had was the smaller one, so I picked up 2 of those. And then I picked up this one. This is also a brush cleaner and conditioner. It was $11.99. I paid $2.24. See, brush cleaner. And then this was 32 fluid ounce. And I picked up 2 of these also. So I always need those. I also picked up these mini scoops. This was $1.79 regular price. You get 10 little spoons in here. I'm trying to remember where I picked these up. Somewhere in the art section. So let me pull one out. I was thinking this would be good to have for like when you're doing glitter projects. See how tiny that is? Isn't that cute? I mean, I do have my spoon. See, my spoon. And then this is good too for like when you're doing embossing. You get a larger scoop. But this will help when I'm doing like the tiny glitters, like the mica powders and stuff like that. Especially if you're like measuring a certain amount into a mix. These will come in handy. And then the last items that I picked up from Hobby Lobby are these. This is the Nara Air Hardening Clay, and I picked it up in the color white. These were $3.99, and you get 17.64 ounces. So they have this in 2 other colors if you need it. So take a look when you go to your store. I thought it would be nice to give this a try. I went to test them because some clays, when it dries, like these air dry clays, as it dries it'll crack, but I'm hoping this one won't. So I'm going to experiment with these. According to the picture that it shows, it doesn't look to have any cracks at all. It looks very smooth. See? So I want to make some project with some clay. So this is it's going to come in handy for me. This was everything I picked up from my Hobby Lobby this trip. They're still marking down items in the fine art section. They were working on marking down all the acrylic paint, so I will need to go back and take a look and see what acrylic paint I might want. You never know. So yeah, I'm quite happy with all the new goodies that I found. And I stopped by the jewelry aisle too, but they had it sectioned off. So I'm not sure if they're getting ready to do more markdowns or if they're just, trying to move all the clearance out of the aisle. But I will check back and see what they have done in the jewelry section. Well, thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.